hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia Education. So if you remember that DRDO RAC way back released one advertisement where they are going to hire, you can see, project engineer on defined limited tenure basis, and that in various disciplines which include engineering for design, development, testing, evaluation of various system, subsystem, and project management from the Institute Technology Research Institution, public sector undertaking, and other non-governmental body. So now what they did, they basically shortlisted the list of candidates for the interview, and as you all know, this was basically on the basis of the experience the candidate is holding. And when I was checking their weightage and all, I will come to that very soon. So their interview will be a very significant part, and it will play a very important role because they shortlisted you on the basis of the information you submitted to them in terms of your qualification or in terms of your experiences. So now it's very high time you must basically go and prepare your interview experience in the minute detail, and you need to inspect it at very minute level or at ground level, because in DRDO whenever they conduct interview, they will grill you in many diverse areas. So you must be well versed with each and every terminology you mentioned there while filling the application form. So you can see here basically it was for different level of project engineer position, and what was the minimum experience required and what is the consolidated remuneration per month, clearly mentioned here. So these were the details, so I am not going up to these. So I hope you filled already. Now it's the time for interview preparation and shortlisting. They already did out for this particular position. So guys, where I am going, I am immediately going for the weightage. You can see somewhere down the section they also mentioned the weightage. It's clearly mentioned here, weightage for higher qualification will be given based on the following condition. Weightage for higher qualification is equated to research experience as given below. Postgraduate qualification in engineering 2 years of weightage. Doctorate degree in engineering 4 years of weightage. So then they told dissertations of ME, MTech or project dissertation thesis in case of doctorate student in engineering must be in the field of relevant to the required area of experience for the given post, and maximum weightage up to 3 years only will be given for the work experience as a research fellow. So guys, these are the basically weightage they mentioned. So now they will be conducting the interview, and once they are going to conduct the interview, then you need to basically prepare well your past year experiences and currently where you are involved into. See, DRDO is enriched with kind of the research culture they carry out. So when you are going to the interview of such organization, then you at the same time must be also in position to align your past experiences with their future requirement. They mention some prerequisite. It means there is some specific reason why they mention these prerequisites. So if you have some experience, be in the domain of automation, be it in the domain of design, be it in the domain of manufacturing, be it in the domain of some other non-technical domains, if they shortlisted you, now it's the time where you need to justify your candidate and your position with your knowledge. And many times what happen, we are having a 8 to 10 years of experience, we are having a 4 to 6 years of experience, and we are good in our task, but many times we don't know how the external worlds or external vendors or external companies or organization may ask questions related to our task and what is their requirement. Definitely if they are judging on your ability, they will be judging as per their requirement. So they will ask things from your own roles and responsibility, but from their own perspective point of view. So under such condition, it's always wise to do practice, a lot of interviews before appearing for the actual interview. And YourPedia Education is basically a platform where you get one-on-one assistance with the mentor, be it in terms of your work domain, be it in terms of your educational qualification, or be it in terms of the general awareness regarding the kind of projects DRDO is currently doing, and which basically, you see, it may happen you are coming from the automation industry, so you must be very clear how they are using automation in their current project for which you are going to interview. So if you are in that position, then I am sure whatever question instantaneously they make, you will be in position at least to discuss with those fellow. So guys, if you had completed even higher education, so they may ask question from there. Many time it happened in the past, they are interviewing the people for the just BTech position, but many time MTech people who are pursuing their MTech, they are appearing for the same interview, they immediately start asking straight away what courses you are doing. and what is your project work in the MTech, and even knowing that the minimum qualification is BTech. So guys, you need to prepare holistically your entire profile before appearing for the final day of the interview. And before preparation, the primary requirement or primarily the important thing is your practice. You may prepare, and all of you might be preparing, because this is the golden opportunity. If you are shortlisted, nobody want to lose this opportunity. So all are preparing. The point is who is preparing with the right resource in the right direction and with the right mindset. That is very important. The only that guy will be able to crack on that particular day this interview. So join your hands with the YourPedia education in the journey of this interview mentorship. I am sure you will succeed in your career objective and you may fetch this position. So I wish all the best for the shortlisted candidate. If you want to avail our interview program, mentorship program, so there is a basically Google form attached in the description. Please fill it. Our executive or mentors are open and they are ready to serve you at their best capability and at their best resources. Thank you.